Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Actually, today I got a little late. Sorry for that. Now, uh, I actually plan on a daily basis to, post this video by 9 p.m. I'll try to do that, but sometimes things don't work as planned, right? But today I have some good news. In case you are watching this video late, you know try to at least observe the stock, whatever we will be discussing in this video, and maybe I will enter the trade if the setup works in favor of me. Others can just observe what the stock is doing, right? Okay, so before that, we'll start off with the stock that we selected yesterday for today's entry. Unfortunately, I couldn't enter. The reason because we discussed about eternal, right? Now the eternal didn't work in my favor, but the good news is that this breakout that you are seeing, this high candle, is on very low volume. So this is basically a trap that the market makers are setting it up for the buyers. Now, what normal retail traders do is that they see that the stock has jumped, so they were already in the FOMO, right? They were thinking that I wish I could have entered here. Now they couldn't. So now, when the market fell a little and this bullish candle was there, where the market makers strategically sold all of the quantity, and that's why the volume here is very very high. Now after that, they just moved the market, moved the candle without them participating in this candles transactions. So they lured in people. Now whoever is here is already in a very bad position, right? So this is a trap that the market makers have set up for normal retailers, and tomorrow probably we are going to see breakout, and then destroying, like, basically this support will be gone. Okay, so that is what is going to happen. Probably, maybe the market probably will move in this area only, trapping a few more buyers. That can also be the strategy of the market makers, and then ultimately pushing the market towards a steady fall. Let's see what happens. Okay, when that moment comes, we'll see for intraday shorting option. Till then, I am not going to enter or take up any trade here. Okay, and the stock that we are going to decide for tomorrow is one Paytm, of course. Now the Paytm has got a very interesting setup. Okay, so the market is not at all time high, but at least it's at 52 weeks high types. Okay, now the market has already rejected this price. Going beyond this price, it fell down to this 1033, and that is also the resistance for the previous swing. Not exactly swing, but if you look at the monthly chart, it will be a swing high, last swing high. Now this is the stock is right now trading at this zone. What? Okay, if we go and see the volume, you will see that the volumes are pretty high, more than the average, right, in this area, in this particular zone. So one could be, of course, the market makers are selling at this level, right? And why they are selling? Just to bring down the price at a wholesale level. Okay, Now if we go and see the hourly chart, this hourly chart will tell you what has happened. The price is moving in this range only. It's a range bound, and big candles are formed, the volumes are very high, and the last 15-minute candle was just starting to become a shooting star formation. Now if we go at the 15 minutes, there you will find the thing. These two candles volume are very high, then the small red candle, and the next two candles the volumes were more than the average. Now so what this actually means is that for tomorrow the market has already placed its bet on the lower side. So this is where the resistance line comes into the picture. So my plan for tomorrow is, if the price in the 5-minute chart is able to close below this line, then the next candle I'm going to enter into the trade. This is what my plan is for tomorrow. For this, in case the price moves on the upper side, then this will not be valid, and then probably I'll have to think of some other, or maybe I'll not take trade here only. Okay, the next would be this. We discussed actually on this yesterday, but we couldn't get an entry. But today it has some promising entry for tomorrow. Let's have a close look at it. Okay, so in the daily perspective, again the price is at its all-time, I think all-time high. Yeah, the price is at its all-time high, and the last two candles are very thin candles with more than average volume, right? If you see this volume, this was very big. Then these two small candles, one is of course this kind of hangman. This is purely hangman, and this is a shooting star. This is the setup, the candle setup that I always look forward to trade the best. Now what will happen here? Let's say tomorrow in the 5-minute chart the price is able to close below this green mark, this green line. The next candle I'm going to enter, and I'm going to keep it, like hold it till here, sell half and keep it till go, hold it till here. Though the chances of reaching the price till here is not high. I mean, it looks even, this is also, if you see it, the market has to fall really bad tomorrow, and only it will be able to reach this price. If time is there, I am able to exit this by, let's say 12:30, then probably I'll keep the half and see where it takes, or else I'll simply close off the entire my position. Okay, let us go to the 15 minutes. So if you see at the 15 minutes, this was what was happening today, and I was looking very closely at it. Okay, this is not normal, right? Like, these candles are forming. Of course, there is no pressure only. There is no pressure here only. The buying pressure is gone, literally gone. See, this is the end of the buying pressure. People were there who have bought here, entered in this trade. People were also optimistic after this candle. Some people have entered here only, and these all people have got stuck. They are all trapped. The market has already shown here. They are thinking that in case the market goes a little up, then they will at least get a chance to recover from their loss. But that is not going to happen. This is going to fall tomorrow. Let's hope. See if some money we are able to make. Okay, that's it. There are some few others, but we'll discuss them later. This is something I don't have time actually. I needed to upload this video also, so I'll keep it very short for today's session. By the way, on every weekend I'm going to plan some monthly stocks analysis. We'll just plainly do analysis. We'll see how market works, how market shapes itself, right? We'll see on those. We'll talk on those aspects. Okay, again, every time, I'm very happy to share my knowledge with you guys. Stay happy, trade well. Don't go and try to recover or run behind recovering the losses. Just accept and move on, learn, and then trade better, right? This is what my motto has always been. Again, see you guys all tomorrow. Have a very wonderful trading session. Good luck. Take care. Bye.